Hey, it's Kip here. Thanks for joining today. Today we got the grill fired up again. We got some good red hot lump charcoal in there going. We're going to be cooking ourselves some country style ribs. That's right, guys. For the money, you can't go wrong. You can usually get them for like 99 cents a pound. This is how I do it. I just want to share it with you guys. I'm going to season them up real good with my own rub, and we're going to put it on the grill indirectly. Get some good color going, some good flavors going on it, and then I'm going to put it right in the pan. And I'll spritz it with some apple juice and vinegar, and then later on, as it gets cooking in its own juices and stuff, I'll add a little barbecue sauce and let them just kind of render down and get real tender in the pan like that. And usually I'll finish it that way, or I might put them back on the grill again, put some more color into it, and put a little bit of char to it. That's how I like it, guys. So stay tuned. Let's get these country style ribs seasoned up and get them on the indirect grill here. We got the coals on one side, and we're going to keep it slow a little bit in the beginning, because if you overcook these, everybody knows they'll dry out. So I want to keep them good and juicy, but I want to get some good color, some good flavor into them first, and then we'll get them in the pan with some juices, some apple cider vinegar and apple juice all mixed together, and spritz it and just let it render down in its own fat and stuff. And then we're going to throw a little bit of barbecue sauce, whatever your house sauce is, whatever you use, and just get it in there and let it just kind of get in its own juices, cover it. And then at the end, if I want to add a little more bark, a little more crispiness, I like that little bit of crispiness to it, I'll throw it back on the grates and just bring that char to it and stuff, and then they'll be ready to serve. So let's get them seasoned up and get them on the grill. We're going to season them up real good. Use your own rub, use a commercial rub, whatever you want to use. Heck, you can use salt and pepper, whatever you like to use. This is just how I do it. I got a rub here with a little bit of everything in it. It is a brown sugar type rub. It's got some paprika, the usual stuff in it. And someday I'll share it with you guys. But today we're just gonna get them seasoned up. I'm gonna put them right on the grill, get some color going, maybe spritz them a little bit with a little bit of apple juice and apple cider vinegar. And then I'm gonna throw them into a pan, let them baste in their own juices a little bit, maybe add a little bit of barbecue sauce a little bit later on until they're good and tender. And I might throw them right back on the grill, because I like a little char on mine, as you guys will stay tuned here and watch. Man, these are going to be so good. Alright guys, like I said, I got the lump charcoal. We're cooking indirectly right now. I just want to get some color going here, and I'm going to pan them up into an aluminum throwaway pan. We're going to spritz them with some apple juice, some apple vinegar cider, maybe add a little bit of barbecue sauce a little later, and just let them simmer in their own juices. Then I'll probably put them right back on the grill grates, bring them a little color to them. Man, these are going to be good. Let's come back and check these in about 15 minutes and flip them. Right now I'm just adding some color, getting some flavor in there, all the briquettes. Just get a good flavor going here, guys. Man, these are going to be good. Like I said, I'm just putting some color on them right now, getting some flavor going. Then I'm going to put them right in the pan. Yeah. Let's see what's going on in here. Wow, these are looking good. Rotate these around a little bit. Get some color going here. Oh, man. Yeah. Let's take a look at these. I got them all panned up. I got some special juice in there. I mean, this is a mixture of apple cider vinegar, apple juice, seasoning, a little bit of barbecue sauce. It's all in there, guys. I'm going to just let it bubble away. And we're running about 275. And I'm just going to let them cook in these juices for about an hour. Covered. We're going to cover it up. And then when I come back a little while, we're gonna put them back on the grates, probably put a little char back into them. Man, these are gonna be good. Man, these things have been cooking in the pan here for a very long time. I kind of lost track, I'll be honest. They're basically done. Man, I want to add a little color to them. Man, look at that. Oh, man. Yep, time to finish them off. Man, these are going to be good. Cooking in their own juices. That special sauce I made up with some apple juice and seasonings and a little bit of barbecue sauce all mixed in there. The special secret sauce. Man, these are going to be delicious. Now we're going to bring a little color back. And, man. Man, these things are going to be juicy and good. Alright, I'm going to sauce these up. You guys can finish them off any way you want. Man, these are going to be good. Usually I just put sauce on the side, but today I'm going to sauce them up. Man, I can't wait. Oh, man, these are going to be delicious. Cooked them in that pan with that special sauce and just let them boil in there, and they're just, I'm telling you what, guys, you can cook them any way you want. Today this is how I'm doing it. Yeah. Oh man, these are gonna shine. Oh man, let's put a little more sauce on these. These are about done. You can cook them any way you guys want. Man, I put a nice rub on them. Got them going that way. Then we put them in the pan, cooked them with some special sauce. Let them boil away in there. Man, I wish you guys could smell this. These are smelling, these country ribs are smelling just fabulous. Man, look at that. You know, these are going to be good. Almost done. Oh man, I'm gonna tell you what, guys, I'm gonna say these things are done. Man, I wish you guys could be here smelling these things. They're just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at the bones just falling out of them. I mean, this is how I like my country ribs, guys. Look at that. Man, these are good. Oh, good and tender, bones falling out. Man, I wish you guys were here to see this. Smell it, taste it. These are done. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you can see, them country style ribs come out fabulous. This is how I like to do them. I'm not saying it's the right way. This is how I do it. I wanted to share it with you guys and just get a good seasoned rub on there, get some flavor going, put them in the pan. You know, I use a little bit of apple juice, apple cider mix. Same thing I would use like on a pork butt or that kind of thing, and just spritz it. Put a little bit of your own barbecue sauce on there, whatever you like, and just kind of let cook in its own juices. Cover it in that tin, little aluminum foil, and just let it simmer. And then sometimes I'll put it back on the grate and get a little more char to it. That's how I like it. Get a nice crispy char going. I mean, I can't wait. I mean, my mouth is watering just thinking about getting these on a plate and getting a couple sides on there. So anyways, guys, as always, thanks for watching. If you guys aren't a subscriber, please subscribe. I got a lot more barbecue videos coming out, a lot more do-it-yourself type videos coming up. And like I said on this channel, you never know what's next. So stay tuned, keep watching, hit that like button, and make some comments if you guys would like. As always, guys, you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon, and I'm going to fix me a plate because I'm hungry.